Not every website visitor should see the same message. Why should someone visiting your site from Chicago see the same content as somebody visiting from San Diego? At GeoFli, we dynamically change content based on visitor location. This includes headlines, call to action buttons, images, even video, all personalized automatically. There's no page rebuilds, there's no duplicating landing pages, just smarter, location-aware experiences that match your ads and your audience. One recent client saw a 40% lift in on-page conversions just by making their headlines geospecific. And GeoFli goes beyond location. We are a personalization engine that lets you change content based on UTM parameters, based on traffic sources, you name it. Show the right message to the right visitor every time.